Festival Transfo was the first Alpine digital transformation festival that took place in Grenoble here in the French Alps for a full week. It gathered more than 6,800 people on 58 different locations for 148 events. Because we are a key partner of digital transformation for our customer. So not only did we decide to participate as a sponsor, main sponsor for the festival, but also we did organize a full day event, open door event on a HPE Grenoble site. This gathered 392 people. 37 of our partners were able to demo smart cities or industrial IoT technologies, as well as participate into roundtable on the themes of IoT, again, artificial intelligence, freeware, or simply the impact on human being of the digital transformation. The full day was a big success for not only HPE partners, but also for our employees that were completely motivated and voluntary basis organizing this event. As a result of this successful day, what I would like to see being developed is a reinforcement of the support from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and the French Tech here in Grenoble, but as well the development of joint business opportunities for both HPE and the rich, dense ecosystem around IoT and artificial intelligence. Thank you for the day.